Okay, pool players, got a good one for you guys. Check it out. Paper reinforcements right here, marking for the cue ball and the object ball. By the way, these are glassy clean. I just cleaned these 2 days ago off the polisher. There's going to be a huge difference here because we're going to do a comparison between these clean balls and these two dirty ones, because I bought a set of Aramith, very old nasty balls. They're sticky as heck. There's going to be a huge difference in cut-induced throw. Now, if you've seen this cut angle before, I wouldn't be surprised because this is on Anthony Beeler's channel, and I wanted to recreate his shot. I'm doing it a little differently though. I've got this golf tee lined up so that if I shoot at the golf tee, I'll be able to pocket this red down in the corner, and then ultimately these two dirty balls. So let's see what happens. We're going to shoot two shots here. The first one is the optimal speed, just like in my last video, where we want to hit a nice medium speed hit, aiming right at the tee, center cue ball. Perfect. What I expected. Now, we're going to hit it real lightly, hopefully just trickle it up to the corner. Hit it very lightly, right at the golf tee, center cue ball. Look at the difference. It's going to make it, but you see how it hit right there? Now these are clean, right? What is going to happen when I hit these two dirty balls? Now I haven't even shot these yet at this angle. So let's see what's going to happen. They are so clingy. I expect these are going to really throw. So we're going to hit medium speed first. Aiming right at the tee, center cue ball. Holy smokes. Wow. Let's shoot one more though, just to make sure. Right at the tee, medium speed, center cue ball. I hit it even a little harder. Do you see that? You guys, can you believe this? Now let's hit it light. Right at the tee, center cue ball, light speed. Wow. Throw, throw, throw. You guys, think about this. You go to your nightclub, your bar, your pool hall, and they have dirty balls on the table. You've just played at home with clean balls, and you're shooting the same way, you're aiming the same way, but you're not pocketing shots. Now you know why. I just had to show this one to you. Such a huge difference between these dirty ones and the clean ones, even shocking to me. If you guys haven't seen my last video on cut-induced throw, I'm going to include it here. So take a look at this video, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.